Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get server tags and gradient color roles feature on your Discord server. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is scroll down your server list and click on the Add a Server button. Over here, choose Create My Own and then select the For a Club or Community option. After that, make a new server. Then go to Server Settings and click on the Boost Perks page to check if the server got access. Over here, create an invite for the server. After that, go to Nelly Tools website, Guild Info, paste in the server invite and click on the check button. Then see if the server has enhanced role colors and guild tags options. So that's basically how you can get server tags and gradient color roles feature on your Discord server. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.